All right, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you the best prompt for YouTube videos where you can create fast titles, tags, descriptions, and thumbnails in seconds. And I'm going to show you how to use this. It's called Master Video SEO, where you can boost views and engagement. And this is available on ChatGPT Plus. You might be able to get on regular ChatGPT, but I don't think so. I think you have to have a Plus account. So if you're a paying member to ChatGPT, you can go use this, and it'll speed up your your process for submitting your video. It's going to create, like I said, it's great for SEO. It's going to create your titles, your tags, your descriptions, your thumbnails, everything for you. And I'm going to show you how this works right now. But with that being said, the link's going to be directly below where you can find this prompt in the video description box. And I'm also going to be giving away my free PDF, which I'll tell you about at the end of this video. So I want to get this out of the way, show you how to use this. That's the most important thing. And then after that, I'm going to show you the free PDF you can pick up that's directly related to this prompt. So with that being said, let's dive in here. I came up with, I'm going to be creating a video on how to create the perfect prompt using ChatGPT and AI. So what we're going to do, this was the title of this video. I'm going to copy this because this is going to be the title for this particular video. And then we're going to say, create a high definition YouTube thumbnail at the end. It will do this automatically, but I'm double checking. I'm just making sure it does. So we're going to hit start on this, hit enter, and let it do its thing. Now you can see right now this is a great topic. Let's get started by crafting a compelling video title. Here are 10 options to consider. And it gives you 10 different options. And then it's gonna ask you to pick the top 3. You don't have to pick the top 3 if you don't want to. You want to save time. You pick the top 3, then pick the winner. All right. Let's see what it comes up with here. It's pick the top 3. For the final title, I recommend going with the Ultimate Guide to Crafting AI Prompts with ChatGPT. Very good title, and it gives you a reason why. This title is comprehensive, clear, and suggests a thorough, valuable guide. Now let's decide on the tone and writing style for your video description. Would you like it to be informative, casual, inspirational, or perhaps something else? We're going to go with informative because it's about kind of a serious subject, tech industry. So we're going to go with informative. Now it's coming up with a video description for you. All you got to do is copy and paste it. And it comes up right there. It's professional. Unlock the full potential of ChatGPT with our comprehensive guide to crafting the perfect AI prompts. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned user, this video will teach you the essential tips and techniques to get the most out of your AI interactions. And then it tells what you learn, why watch this video, and then my free guide, which I'll go over at the end. Now let's move on to selecting long tail keywords to enhance your video's visibility. Here are 20 suggested keywords. Now all you got to do, if you want more, you can ask it for more. Just copy and paste these into your tags for a YouTube video. Saves you a lot of time. Now finally, let's create a high definition YouTube thumbnail. Could you provide some specific elements you'd like in the thumbnail, such as colors, text, or imagery? This will help ensure the design aligns perfectly with your video content. And it's about ChatGPT. Let's give it a simple prompt. Create a super high definition thumbnail with an AI model that represents ChatGPT and something that represents prompt. In the background. Make it stick out and highly clickable. And obviously you can put whatever you want here till you get what you want. You click enter and let it work its magic. We're going to see what it comes up with. And it's working here, and it comes up with that. Not too bad, but we want it to be, it's got a little spelling errors. And we're going to say fix spelling errors and make higher quality, please. And if you could tell whatever you want, obviously it's going to do it. I also have some prompts. If you look up my name on the ChatGPT store, and that's a little better there. That's actually pretty nice. Mastering AI prompts. You see ChatGPT. It's got this nice picture. If you want it better, just keep working with it. But I've got one that I've got like a couple of them called Visualize It. You can use that one, and it creates awesome YouTube thumbnails too. But this one does everything in one. So what you do here when you're done with that, YouTube only accepts certain thumbnails in certain forms like JPG, JPEG, all that stuff. These are in I'll show you here. Web something formatting. So YouTube doesn't accept them. So what you got to do, you're going to download this, save it, and then you're going to go over. It's a real easy fix. You find one you like, you create using this tool, this prompt, and then you're going to go over to just type in turn picture into JPG. There's a million different free tools you can use. And we're going to go to all. And I just use the top one here. Whatever one you want to use is fine. And then what you do, choose file, hit start, and you wait for it. And what this is going to do, wait for the picture to show up right here, and then you know it's done. And you're done. Hit download. Now you can see up here it's JPG. YouTube accepts it. So that's all you got to do. That's how quick it was. Because no matter what you do on this, I don't know why they don't. It's a pain in the butt to get them in the right formatting for YouTube. So just, I mean, it takes 2 minutes. It's easy. So that's it. You're all done. So you got your title. You got your, it's picking your best title for the SEO and the best click-through rate. It's picking the winner for you. It's doing your YouTube video description. And it's getting your tags. It's creating the picture for you. It's doing pretty much everything for you. So this will save you a lot of time once you create a YouTube video. And you can, get it uploaded a lot faster. So you're not, wasting time doing all this manually. Now this one right here, revolutionize your YouTube channel with cutting edge AI. Download your free guide instantly. Unlock the secrets to stunning YouTube videos with our comprehensive AI editing guide. Improve your content, rank higher, and achieve professional results fast. And this is what I was telling you about earlier in the video, where you can instantly create jaw-dropping YouTube videos with AI, free PDF to the top tools. Unlock the secrets to stunning YouTube videos with our comprehensive AI editing guide. Improve your content, rank higher, and achieve professional results fast. I'm also giving a 1-hour jam-packed video about AI writing secrets exposed, creating irresistible content with ChatGPT that ranks. Very good video, a lot of useful tips that you can use for your content marketing. And I tell you how to create undetectable content with ChatGPT. So get your hands on that. And this PDF is awesome. So make sure you check it out. The link for this will be directly below as well, underneath the link to the prompt. So just come on over here. Give me your favorite email address. It'll go over to you ASAP. So we're going to go back over here again. And I am going to... This is it right here. Master Video SEO, boost views and engagement. That's my name there, Jason Orban. You can type my name into the ChatGPT store, and it should pull up all my prompts. But I have a bunch here. You can see AI Digital Canvas, Best AI Image Generator, FitQuest, Human Touch, create undetectable content with AI, Master Video, the one you're looking at right now. I got a comedy one, super prompt, boost clicks, visualize it. There's all kinds of different prompts on here. But if you like what you see, if you think this is going to save you a lot of time, which you will, check out the link below in the video description box. And don't forget to grab my free PDF. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button. I'd appreciate it. And subscribe to my YouTube channel for all future video updates. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.